Yo, you crazy if you still think that I'm ever losing. And I can't stop, I gotta keep going, I gotta keep on moving. And I don't trip, I shorty, all these Jones are steady choosing. Tryna turn the hustle to an empire like Michael Rubin. She playing games, she got me lost, man, she so confusing. He fake for Instagram, the life he live is just illusions.
What's good, it's your boy Joe, welcome back to another vlog. Life is here, as y'all see by the title. Come watch the cars with us. Let's do it. We about to head to self-wash, you know. I don't gonna rap or anything, but the paint job, you know, you gotta take care of yourself. Niggas don't give it to them, and like the machines and shit, damn near mess up the car. But with that being said, let's go ahead, head to the car wash and let's get these cars clean. It's filthy. Actually, let me show y'all right quick. Somebody took a shit on my car, I kid you not. I don't know who did it, but somebody took a shit on it. So like, look at this shit. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these cars clean, and then yeah, once we get it clean, we about to go to the mill. The mill is Milwaukee. I don't know why I call it the mill. Y'all call Milwaukee the mill. If you from Milwaukee, let me know, do y'all call Milwaukee the mill? Y'all probably do. I'm gonna see you low. That nigga ugly as shit. Alright, let's do it.
Put on for the city. I'm out in Houston like I'm Whitney. Ryan the kid gon' turn it to Bentley. Shorty too friendly, I took her to Denny. If she acted straight, would've took her to Benny. Money ran low and I ain't have a penny. Was asking for money, ain't nothing to lend me. Feel like I'm lucky, I ride in the Hemi. This full automatic, ain't doing no semi. Nigga be faking, might need him an Emmy. I ran up my racks and now I got plenty. I'm at the top, now they can't come get me. I'm at the top, now they can't fuck with me. I'm at the top, now I'm all on my own. And I swear I was blocked, now she calling my phone.
Yo, Sight, so we just made it to the car wash. We about to clean this filthy shit. 2024 Mustang GT. And come over here, come on. We got the last call 23 Dodge Charlie. This shit cool as hell. It can't keep up with my shit, so. Y'all stay tuned. We about to do some pulls. We about to go to the mill, Milwaukee. So I'm gonna shoot some pretty rides on the way there. So y'all stay tuned to that. But let's get to this cleaning, folks. I've been holding off on it. I still need to clean my bike too. I haven't had the chance to do that. I was actually supposed to take it to the shop today, but it'll be alright. Yo. Alright, we on, twin. What y'all do first? Y'all supposed to do a rinse first. You niggas not rinsing y'all car first? What are y'all doing? Hey, let me bend right here. Niggas gonna get hit. I'm moving like moose, go with the hands, I'm like a masseuse. When I get a little lyrical, feel like I'm Seuss. Real presidential, I'm riding the sis every day, I be grinding, don't got an excuse. When the time nigga gon' throwin' that ghost and I'm riding with cuz and you ain't loose. Put on mask, won't lookin' like boo. They say on shit, but they tellin' the truth. Niggas be lying, you feel like a Pinocchio. Riding in cars that drip like it's Tokyo. Niggas be foul, I'm watching my back like an album and feel like a nigga in OVO. Go through the storm, I go through the rain. Go through it all, I go through the pain. That's how you got it, I put them on game. I ain't fuckin' with niggas, cause niggas be lying. I'm the youngest one doing, they know I'm the truth. Got me some passion, I stand in the booth. Posted with sticks, but they put it to use. Told them put up the knuckles, I'm moving like moose. Go with the hands, I'm like a masseuse. When I get a little lyrical, feel like I'm Seuss. Real presidential, I'm riding the sis every day, I be grinding, don't got an excuse. I'm holding this bitch like it's a Drake or something.
I was really walking, yeah. I was really walking, yeah. I was really walking, yeah. I was really walking. I'm on beats, I'm really talking. They don't see me often. When they do, they take a caution. I got green like Boston, takes a hoe straight out of Austin. Brody pick Balenci, we ain't paying shit ain't costing. Bad bitch on my banner, like Google Doc, I'm quick to correct the nigga grammar. Have me dancing to this shit, I feel like MC Hammer. Bitch, she go for money, only fucking with them scammers. Dirty hoes get put in hammers.
Mirror, I go way back. Pleasure keep it tool. You might think he working HVAC. I had no funds, but I ain't never getting paid back. No sorry, nonchalant. I stay on my grind, I'm knowing I shine, I'm knowing this time, I know I prevail. Tell on my slimes, we came up with rhymes, I'd rather just rap instead of being in jail. God on my side, I know I can't fail. God on my side, I ain't taking no L. Sometimes I struggle, but I'm doing well. Brad potential, now he in the cell. Brad potential, he ducking the jakes. I was up in my rank, I was up in the stakes. Foot on the gas, I ain't had no brakes. And the straight off the top, only need one take. Thinking they friends, whole time they snakes. Thinking they friends, whole time they fake. Started from none, I made some shake. They used to sleep on me, now they awake. I stay on my grind, I'm knowing I'll shine, I'm knowing this time, I know I prevail. Try my slimes, we came up on rhymes, I'd rather just rap instead of being in jail. God on my side, I know I can't fail. God on my side, I ain't taking no L. Sometimes I struggle, but I'm doing well. Brad potential, now he in the cell. Richard me lying on me, and now if you be my home, and now I got racks up on me. Tell me my man's gonna know me, and no, I ain't never got tired of trying again. I ain't even worried about getting the love, cause I always know that I'm gon' win. Started with bands, turned it to an M. Switch up the floor, now I think I'm him. Shawty, she bad, really she a jump. Tryna be me, I ain't tryna beat up. Bought her some skims, now she thinks she can. Don't dive in that water, you know you can't swim. Out in the 80, know I'm coming chubby, cause as they curdy, knowing I'm on 10. I stay on my grind, I'm knowing I'll shine, I'm knowing this time, I know I prevail. Shout out my slimes, we came up with rhymes, I'd rather just rap instead of being in jail. God on my side, I know I can't fail. God on my side, I ain't taking no L. Sometimes I struggle, but I'm doing well. Brad potential, now he in the cell. Yeah. I've been living out my dreams. You ain't here from day one, you can't be a part of this team. I ain't worried about no splunk, just trying to count all this green. My old one just text me, I just left her ass on scene. I brought janky, love the lean. I don't get geeked, I'm staying clean. I feel like Harden and Kareem. I feel like Kobe, call me Bean. I'm on the grind, gotta chase my dream. Talking checks, I can't collect. I ain't have a dollar, but now I get deposits that come direct. I'm in the rich, I feel like net. I'm getting rich just off respect. I cut her off, gotta do his best. I got the basic for a little. I learned it ain't no time to rest. I get this shit up off my chest. I got the chance, I'm really blessed. Up on my mom, some Louis vest. I need some M's, can't sign for less. So what we gon' do? And I ain't had nothing, I thought I always had you. I guess it ain't true. Top one, I ain't two. I do shit they can't do. Like bitch, my bills blue. Stay down, my time due. And I've been living out my dreams. You ain't here from day one, you can't be a part of this team. I ain't worried about no score, I'm just trying to count up all this green. And my old hoe just text me, I just left her ass on scene. Bro, janky, love the lean. I don't get geek, I'm staying clean. I feel like Harden and Kareem. I feel like Kobe, call me Bean. I'm on the grind, gotta chase my dream. Talking checks, I can't collect. I ain't have a dollar, but now I get deposits that come direct. I'm in the rich, I feel like net. I'm getting rich just off respect. I cut her off, gotta do his best. I got the basic for a little. I learned it ain't no time to rest. I get this shit up off my chest. I got the chance, I'm really blessed. But my mom some Louis vest. I need some M's, can't sign for less. I'm here trying to change my life for the better. Go hard for the Grammy on Twitter, beret. I was thinking about stress, I might write a letter. Try still in my swag, you won't make it up. My members so quick, can't say that they never. We lay them face down like the check in the web. Usually that's the game, and we lock it for out. Trying to run about funds, we gon' do it together. They started look up, I can do it hard. Before FaceTime, we was on house party. Broke a seat, so he put on the card. He wasn't on point, I got caught at the dart. I'm trying to get rich, trying to ride the rod. Too deep in the whip, man, I'm around with far. Ain't worried about him, and that little nigga sorry. Got caught in the can like you on iCard. I'm here trying to change my life for the better. Go hard for the Grammy on Twitter, beret. I was thinking about sex, I might write a letter. Try still on my swag, you won't make it out. My members so quick, can't say that they never. We lay them face down like the check in the web. Usually that's the game, and we lock it for out. Trying to run about funds, we gon' do it together. They started look up, I can do it hard. Before FaceTime, we was on house party. Broke a seat, so he put on the card. He wasn't on point, I got caught at the dart. I'm trying to get rich, trying to ride the rod. Too deep in the whip, man, I'm around with far. Ain't worried about him, and that little nigga sorry. Got caught in the can like you on iCard. Go off factions and popped up my mind. He popped different pills and it still don't work. He bought different pills, he still off perks. He bluff on that nut and get left in the dirt. Be up on the pockets, just me and Jay Kirk. All time married, they callin' me dirt. And all these man got put in a shirt. They strapped with the Uzi, you talk about Bert. I'm here trying to change my life for the.
Zerosight, so look at the bottom of my pants. Look at my shit. This shit cut, twin. So we just finished the GT. Now we got to do the challenge. What y'all think? Y'all think we should take the front plate off? That shit look tacky. Look at it.
I was just thinking that whole time.
We just finished that. I couldn't dry it in here because this would take about at least 10-20 minutes. That's at least $10-20. So let's clean this one up. Yo, so I gotta put the GT right back. Zerosight, so now we're moving on to the Charlie. Go ahead and paint. I'm gonna put it that way. Put it that way real quick.
I didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yeah. More money, more problems you ain't never seen. Pass her the bro, now she play for the team. They tryna test my luck, okay, let's try it. I know my shots ain't green. Drowning all that pain up in this cup, he pouring for Celine. No, I ain't no trick, but I might buy that girl some more Celine. Buy that girl some new Chanel. Even when you at the top, you gon' have to take some L. So them haters go to hell. I know that I'm gon' prevail. So locked in, I can't even fail. I need more Louis than Pharrell. More money, more problems you ain't never seen. Pass her the bro, now she play for the team. They tryna test my luck, okay, let's try it. I know my shots ain't green. Drowning all that pain up in this cup, he pouring for Celine. Nah, I ain't no trick, but I might buy that girl some more Celine. Foreign hoe look like Selena. Play with racks, I'm like Serena. Foreign cars, I ride in Beamers. I got money, I don't need them. Now she scared that I might leave her. She go long like wide receiver. She a queen, that's how I treat her. I ain't cuffing on no eater. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, let's see. I still keep on, let's go. More money, more problems you ain't never seen. Pass her the bro, now she play for the team. They tryna test my luck, okay, let's try it. I know my shots ain't green. Drowning all that pain up in this cup, he pouring for Celine. Nah, I ain't no trick, but I might buy that girl some more Celine.
I didn't come this far just to come this far.
Hot times and the cars on E. Niggas not knowing I'm really the one, man. I feel like I'm Curry, I'm 5 on the 3. Ask for a fee, you gotta know it ain't free. If you ask for a fee, you gotta pay me a fee. I ain't no trick, I can't buy double C. Got the game up on lock, you ain't got you a key. Now I'm all on my own, man, it's me versus me. Yeah, it's me versus me. I'm trying to get up there high where these niggas can't be. Thinking he hard cause he doing the ski. How you paying the price and I get it for free. Push me a button, don't need me a key. If I make it off top, I don't need a degree. Niggas be hating, they say I won't make it, but I got a vision, they can't even see. Hot times and the cars on E. Niggas not knowing I'm really the one, man. I feel like I'm Curry, I'm 5 on the 3. Ask for a fee, you gotta know it ain't free. If you ask for a fee, you gotta pay me a fee. I ain't no trick, I can't buy double C. Got the game up on lock, you ain't got you a key. Now I'm all on my own, man, it's me versus me. I'm here trying to change my life for the better. Go hard for the Grammy on total Beretta. I was thinking about sex, I might write her a letter. Try stealing my swag, you won't make it ever. My members on plane can't say that they never. We leaving face down like you checking the weather. QG, that's the game, man, we locking forever. Trying to win about funds, we gon' do it together. And shawty look up, rockin' new head hard. Before FaceTime, we was on house party. Bro couldn't see, so he put on the card. He wasn't no point, I got caught at the dart. I'm trying to get rich, trying to ride the rod. Too deep in the whip, man, I'm around with far. Ain't worried about him, man, that little nigga sorry. Got caught in the can like you on iCard. I'm here trying to change my life for the better. Go hard for the Grammy on total Beretta. I was thinking about sex, I might write her a letter. Try stealing my swag, you won't make it ever. My members on plane can't say that they never. We leaving face down like you checking the weather. QG, that's the game, man, we locking forever. Trying to win about funds, we gon' do it together. And shawty look up, rockin' new head hard. Before FaceTime, we was on house party. Bro couldn't see, so he put on the card. He wasn't no point, I got caught at the dart. I'm trying to get rich, trying to ride the rod. Too deep in the whip, man, I'm around with far. Ain't worried about him, man, that little nigga sorry. Got caught in the can like you on iCarly. Bro, all vexed, just popped up my molly. Popped every pills and it still don't work. He popped every pills, he still all perks. He bluffing the nut and get left in the dirt. I be up on the pockets, just me and J. Kirk. I'm an all-time maverick, they calling me dirt. Not long your man got put in a shirt. Stay strapped with the Uzi, ain't talk about vert. I'm here trying to change my life for the better. Go hard for the Grammy on Total Beretta. I was thinking about steps, I might write her a letter. Try stealing my swag, you won't make it happen. My members on point, you can't say that they never. We leaving face down like you checking the weather. QG, that's the game, man, we locking forever. Trying to run about funds, we gon' do it together. And shawty look up, rockin' new head hard. Before FaceTime, we was on house party. Broke couldn't see, so he put on the card. He wasn't on point and got caught at the dart. I'm trying to get rich, trying to ride in the rod. Too deep in the whip, man, I'm around with far. Ain't worried about him, man, that little nigga sorry.
Yeah, it was like, and just like that, we practically finished within cleaning the car. Not really much. Need it. The car's looking too dirty, especially not this one. I know the Mustang GT, it had just bird shit on it. So we definitely had to get that clean. Leaving town in the next 4 days. So I want to clean the car regardless. So it's like, whatever I said, really appreciate y'all sticking around to the end of the vlog. Let me know if y'all enjoy content like this, just me cleaning, just doing everyday errands or what's not. So y'all stay tuned to the next vlog.
Ain't got time for none of you haters. Bye bye, see you later.